Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for all the AutoCAD enthusiasts out there. If you've been spending countless hours in front of AutoCAD, working on projects, you know how important it is to have some go-to commands to speed up your workflow. In this video, we'll be diving into 25 such essential AutoCAD commands that will help you save time, increase efficiency, and take your CAD skills to the next level. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first command on our list is APPLOAD. This command allows you to define which applications to load when starting or opening AutoCAD. It's particularly useful if you encounter compatibility issues between AutoCAD and your computer. From this load-unload applications dialog, you can control which application to start or not to start while opening AutoCAD. This makes AutoCAD open faster. These are different file types it accepts. You can select Already Loaded Application from the list to unload, or select any application from the AutoCAD folder to load during startup of AutoCAD. Next up we have the Area command. This nifty tool calculates the area and perimeter of a defined object or surface, and it's based on the metric units set in your AutoCAD settings. Let me show you how to put this command to use. Type area to activate the command. Select Object option. Now select the object of which you need to find the area. And at the bottom left corner, you will see it will give you the area of that object with perimeter length. Now, let's talk about customizing your workspace. The Background command allows you to choose a background image for your work area. You can set a solid color, a gradient, or even import an image from your computer. Personalizing your workspace can make your design experience more enjoyable. To make any image as your background from your computer, select the Image option and browse the image from your computer. From here, you can also set the scale and position of the image. Click OK. And you can see the background image now. Do you need to export a selection of objects, surfaces, or regions as a bitmap image? The BMPOUT command is here to save the day. It generates a .bmp format image, making it easy to share your work with others. Let's check it out. Select any part of your drawing you want to export. Zoom it to full screen. Bring the BMPOUT command. Now, save the file. Open the file to check. Creating 3D boxes in AutoCAD is a breeze. With the Box command, you can define the height, width, and depth of the box to fit your specific needs. It's a handy command for visualizing objects in 3 dimensions. Let me show you how it's done. Bring the Box command. Give the center. Either give the length or use dynamic dimension in the drawing area. Now, let's talk about the Burst command. It allows you to explode a block or object while keeping its attributes intact. This can be incredibly helpful when you need to make modifications to a block without losing any important information. Moving objects from the layout to the model or vice versa is a common task in AutoCAD. The CHSPACE command comes to the rescue. It not only moves the objects, but also automatically scales them in the new space. Let's check it out. When you are inside a viewport in layout of your AutoCAD file, then type CH in your keyboard. It will automatically bring the CHSPACE command. It will ask you to select objects. Select the object which you want to move from model to here in your layout space and press spacebar. It will automatically scale the selected objects to maintain the visual in your layout space. Now, you will see, the drawing which you have selected earlier has been moved from model space to layout. It is no longer available in model space. Tired of having multiple AutoCAD windows cluttering your workspace? The Close All command is your solution. It closes all open AutoCAD windows and prompts by saving it first, before returning to the Start screen. Just type close all in your command line, and press spacebar to start. The color command is a simple yet powerful tool for selecting layer colors for your future objects, lines, and surfaces. Let's explore how to use this command to organize your drawing effectively. You can see the current color is white. Now, I will bring color command. From the dialog, I will choose any color. Now, this color will override the layer color of the line. When it comes to dimensioning, the DIMALIGNED command is a handy option for creating dimensions aligned with an axis or line. Let me demonstrate how you can easily dimension objects using this command. Type DAL as command shortcut. Now you can easily dimension any aligned lines of your drawing. Moving on, we have the DIMANGULAR command. This allows you to create dimensions aligned with arcs or circles. It's an essential tool when working with curved objects. Let's see how it's done. Type DAN to activate the DIMANGULAR command. Now, select any arc or circle which you want to give dimension. Even if you want to find the angle between two lines, this command is so good. Need to create dimensions based on a baseline of an earlier dimension? The DIMBASELINE command is the perfect choice for the job. It allows you to create linear, angular, or coordinate dimensions with ease. Let's take a closer look. First, let's use DIMALIGNED command to make a line dimension in our drawing. Once the dimension is set, it's time to activate DIMBASELINE command by typing DIMB. The moment you hit spacebar, it will automatically snap the dimension from the start point and start a new dimension below the old one. The space between these dimension lines can be increased and decreased from dimension properties. Creating radius dimensions for circles and arcs is a common requirement in many designs. The DIMRADIUS command makes this task a breeze. I will do one sample for you. To activate DIMRADIUS command, type DIMRAD. Now, select any circle or arc of which you want the dimension to be shown. With a single click, it will set the dimension for you. The DIMEDIT command enables you to edit the text location of existing dimensions. It's perfect for fine-tuning your dimension labels to suit your design requirements. Let's see how to use it. Type DIMEDIT to bring dimension edit command. It will give you 4 options which you can edit in your dimension, as shown on your screen. I will select New option first. It will give me text box to type the new text. I will type it. Then, I will select the dimension and press spacebar to apply it. Next, I will use Rotate. It will ask to specify the rotation angle. Type any angle and press Enter. Now, select the dimension again and press spacebar to apply. Next, I will check Oblique. Select the dimension and enter oblique angle and press Enter. It will change the angle of the end lines of dimensions. Creating 3D polygonal meshes can add more complexity and realism to your designs. The EDGESURFACE command is the key to achieving this. Let's explore how to create 3-dimensional meshes using this command. First of all, activate EDGESURFACE command. Now, select all the 4 sides on which you want to make a polygonal 3D mesh. Make sure those lines are in a closed loop. Hit spacebar, and you will get your mesh instantly. Now, to refine this mesh, select the mesh, and in the Surface tab in your ribbon, select Smooth Mesh. It will make the mesh more realistic. The APPLOAD command is a powerful tool for breaking up an object, or block, into its individual components. It's essential to ensure you're on the right layer before using this command. Knowing the coordinates of specific points in your drawing is crucial for precise designing. The ID command comes in handy here. It displays the coordinates of any point on the worksheet. Let me show you how it's done. Let's make a point in the drawing area using point command. Now, activate ID command. It will ask you to select the point. When you select it, it will give you the coordinate details of that point. Organizing and selecting line types can streamline your drawing process. The line type command is a powerful tool for creating, organizing, and selecting line types. Let's see how it works. Let's select any line of your drawing to change the line type to hidden lines. In the layer panel, the line type of these lines is continuous. In the properties of these lines, the line type is set by layer. We can change it here from the scroll down list. Let's change it to hidden. You can also change the scale of this line type based on your drawing scale in print. If you frequently use materials in your designs, the MATLAB command is a must-know. It enables you to import and export materials from and to a library, saving you time and effort. Creating multiple parallel lines can be time-consuming without the right command. The multiple offset command is here to make your life easier. Let's explore how to create multiple offset lines effortlessly. First, activate the offset command by typing O. Then, specify the offset distance. Now, select the line which you want to offset. Right-click to offset. This is the regular way of offsetting, which takes a lot of time. To make this process faster, let's select the line again. But this time, instead of doing offset, type M, which is the shortcut to multiple. Now, just start doing left-click, and it will automatically keep offsetting at the same distance. MLINE command also helps in creating multiple parallel lines, but in a different way. Let's see how it's done. First, bring the MLINE command. Now, it will give you 3 options by which you can edit your lines. But, first make lines, without any changes. Right-click, and start drawing your lines. It will make 2 parallel lines at one time, a very handy tool for making walls, or partitions, in 2D. The scale of these lines is set to 3. Change it, and see what happens. Type S when you are in MLINE command. It will ask you to enter scale value. I will keep the value 5 this time, and press enter. Now, right-click, and start making your lines. You will see the gap between lines have increased. Editing multiple parallel lines at once is a breeze with the MLEDIT command. It allows you to modify several parallel lines simultaneously, which saves valuable time during the design process. Let's check it out. Activate MLEDIT command. It will open multi-line edit tools. Now, you can start editing your MLINEs based on your needs. Tired of repeating the same command multiple times? The multiple command has got your back. It allows you to repeat the last command until you cancel it. Let me show you how it can boost your productivity. Let's assume you have to repeat erase command in your drawing multiple times. So, open multiple command. Now, it will ask the name of the command to be repeated. I will type erase. And now you will see that erase command is permanently active. I don't have to use spacebar to bring the command again and again. Setting up the layout of your drawing is essential for presenting your work professionally. The MVSETUP command helps you configure your drawing's layout efficiently. Let's see how to set up your drawing properly. Activate MVSETUP command first. It will give you different options to work on. I will use Align for now. Type A to activate that. Now, I will type H to use horizontal option. It will ask a base point. It will ask another point to be given in a second viewport. Provide that same point. You can see road on both the viewports are now aligned. Similarly, you can use rotate view. Type R to activate. Give a base point. Specify rotation angle. Our drawing is now rotated in second viewport. All these editing is not doing any changes in the original drawing in model space. Made a mistake and accidentally deleted something important. Don't worry, the BMPOUT command is here to save the day. It allows you to restore the most recently deleted items even after using the block or wblock commands.